6 million ways to die. Choose one.
We is the original Donna Paul Dan.
Watch this.
We is the original Donna Paul Dan.
I love sound can't play them tune and parade.
Moha sound system. Are you ready?
No, my selector.
Yes, c'est Malik pour Danakil sur 48 FM 105.0 Liège. Big up Moha Sound System.
Cut the beat out there from Skip and Die, and you're listening to Moha Sound System.
Well then, this is Natty Jean straight from Dakar, Sénégal sur 48 FM 105.0 Liège. Moha Sound System, voyons c'est.
Looking man, Jaja is coming. The 10th commandment was handed on the stable of stone by Jah Almighty to Moses. This version is way from creation. This version is way from creation. Redeemer full of culture, y'all.
You man, let's go.
I love sound can't play them tune and parade.
Special request to all the girls from north, south, east and west. From the body of good, I know you have God bless. Rock wine.
From it don't concern you, it's not your own. See people business and leave it alone. Hear them say, J-Lax don't live in a tenement yard. J-Lax can.
Yes, on dit salam alaikum encore une fois à toutes et à tous. Yes, merci d'être à l'écoute de la 48 FM. Yes, votre émission le Moha Sound System encore une fois. Et là, il est là dans le building, on l'appelle Don G. Yes, Saya qui nous vient de la Jamaïque, je le répète encore une fois. Yes, Saya, c'est un honneur chaque fois de le recevoir ici dans le studio. Yes, donc on va faire Ras Abdou, comment tu vas d'abord? Avec DJ Eja aussi qui est là. Comment tu vas, Ras?
Yes, Moha, give thanks, tout va bien, tout ça c'était la patate, tu vois.
Yes,
tu sais bien, c'est la famille, c'est 48 FM.
Yes,
on est habitué de la place aussi, tu vois.
Yes,
et ça va vite.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, tout est en place.
Greetings encore une fois pour les sons, pour la vibration, tout ça. Merci, man, merci, yeah, man.
Ça fait plaisir, on partage la vie, Moha.
Yes,
ici, les bonnes mamans surtout.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Comme je l'ai dit tantôt, on retourne à la base, hein.
Yes, I. Back to roots.
Back to the roots.
Yes,
yeah, man. Parce que quand on aime la musique reggae, on sait que ça vient de la Jamaïque, ça a voyagé jusqu'à arriver. Tu vois, non?
Ouais.
On va en parler parce qu'on a un Jamaïcain avec nous, Ras. Mais aujourd'hui, l'anglais va être compliqué. Parce que toi, tu parles anglais tranquille.
Ouais, moi, de toutes les façons, l'équipe il est complet. Comme je disais toujours, l'équipe il est complet. S'il voulait, je sais pas, le français, l'anglais, le mandinka, le olof.
Non, aujourd'hui, on va être des anglais, mon ami, aujourd'hui. On va parler l'anglais.
Ok.
L'anglais qu'on aime tant. Yes, I.
All right.
Yes, I. Big up à la masse encore une fois et merci d'être avec la 48 FM. Et Donji, how are you?
Greetings and blessings, Alan. Moha Sound System.
Yeah, man.
48 FM Liège, Belgium. Bonjour tout le monde. Danji live and direct. Yeah, man.
Yes, I, papa, lui, c'est Danji, no man. Et le son qu'on est en train d'écouter, c'est Tenement Yard. It's one of your songs. This one.
Yes, that's a cover, you know. It's actually a cover by the legend Jacob Miller.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Tenement Yard. So as a young legend, I cover it, you know, showing my respect, showing tribute to the elderly, you know. Yes, Jacob Miller, those people who paved the way, you know what I mean?
Yes,
yeah, man. Tenement Yard, you know what I mean? We are standing live in a tenement yard, you know what I mean? No informer thing around here.
Achoo, man. Achoo.
Watch you do more so ya. Watch you do more so ya.
So we're gonna come and because we're gonna talk about you, about where are you from? Where are you from?
Yes, well, I'm from a small community called Riversdale, yeah, and that's in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yeah, man, and that's where I from, you know. That's where I was growing up.
Yes, I.
Until I moved to Luxembourg, Europe. So Luxembourg is where I currently reside right now in Europe. Yeah, man.
Yes, I. Donc, il vient de la Jamaïque et maintenant il est basé au Luxembourg.
Yes, I. Yes, I.
I want to ask you.
Yeah. Let me have one question for you, please.
See.
Yes, I want to ask you, how do you feel Luxembourg?
Oh, like what you mean exactly?
I mean, you're from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And then you've been grown up there for a long time.
See.
And then you travel back to Europe. See. And then you live in a place where, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe you don't know much about it. And then you don't know people, the communication.
Well, it's a calm country.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like, I call it the hidden treasure, you know?
Yes, I am.
Yes. You know, Luxembourg is a special place. It's the only country in the world where you have free transport. You know what I mean? You don't pay on public transport or nothing like that. So it's a bit different and a bit special.
Yeah.
You know, so I have resided there over 5 years now. So I'm coming to understand most things. Overstand, not even understand, overstand most things, you know what I mean? So it's not really complicated for I, man. Maybe at first, but no, it's not, you know what I mean? So I just do give thanks while the most I continue to guide me along the way.
Yes, man. As big people say, like elders in the Rus and culture, them say that, you know, we set up everything by little time.
Yeah, man, time by time, little by little. One cocoa full basket.
True, man. True.
Yeah, man, that's an old Jamaican proverb.
Yeah, and I have one question again. I'm gonna disturb you a little bit because we are listening too much of roots from Jamaica. Yeah. And them some elders them there, like you say, them that man you give little bit cover on the sound. Mm-hmm. How them call it again? We just playing the sound now.
Tenement
yard, man.
Yeah,
and then this a big message for them Rasta man. You see, a big message for them youth.
Yeah, man. It was those songs I grew up on. You know, I grew up listening these songs. You know,
because them are elders.
Exactly. Yeah. So as I said before, I, as a young legend, just pay a tribute to the persons them who paved the way, so I, man, could get a chance to get my exposure.
Yeah, true.
So that's what I do, showing my respect, you know what I mean? So that's why I cover this song.
No, I feel like it, you know, because the problem which I feel on the sound, and then you follow the rules by the elders, and then whatever we are doing on these things, you have to follow by the elders.
Well, them set it, you know.
Them work too much.
And them set it for where it is right now, you know what I mean? So you have to just add to it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, true, man.
Yeah, man.
Make things to move up.
Up, full move.
Yes, all right. I'm going to leave you with Moha, and then we're going to come back again,
Yes, sir.
You're welcome to the studio.
Up full and bright.
Every little thing, them watch what you do. Chatty, more tweet, tell life why you too much. Watch it, too much, so, yeah. Watch it, too much, so, yeah.
Yes, I am.
Too fast and inquisitive, just all up in your business. Watch it and a chat, how other people live. Carry go bring come, that's how we call it. But I one thing, that a no good style. Watching other people business while yours it a spoil. Dropping up, pick it up, that a dirty profile. It's like they don't care, I don't got no price. It's a fear your conversation
beaucoup de choses à vous remettre aussi avec la conscience, la sincérité aussi. Parce que l'histoire se passe comme ça sur la culture aussi. Il ne faut pas oublier les gars. Restez connectés avec le 48 FM Moha Sound System. Et big up myself.
Too much watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Every little thing them watch what you do. Chatty, more Twitter life.
Yesaya, on représente encore une fois. Et depuis la Jamaïque, il est là dans nos studios, ici au cœur de la cité ardente. Hey, Don G.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man, big up encore une fois, frère.
Yes, sir,
Et donc, juste pour traduire un peu ce qu'il disait tantôt, c'est par rapport à l'origine de ce morceau-là, qui est une reprise de Jacob Mila qu'il a repris. Et donc, Abdou lui demandait un peu par rapport aux inspirations et tout ça. Donc, il expliquait que vraiment, c'est les grands qui ont fait le chemin. Ils s'inspirent de ça pour venir vers ce qu'ils sont en train de faire là. Donc, One Love, big up encore une fois pour ça. C'est une musique consciente, donc vraiment, les idées sont là. La philosophie reste toujours la même. Et Don J sur 48 FM.
You're out of your mind, are you getting crazy? Based on those questions that you come ask me, don't mix me up, you're too contrary. Relax, don't live in a tenement yard. Relax, can't live in a tenement. Too much watch you, too much so yeah. Watch you, every little thing them watch where you do.
Elders, man, you see. That's where the real deal is there.
Watch you, too much so yeah. Watch you, too much so hear them.
Don J, I would like to ask you something about your inspiration again. Music, when it starts for you?
Well, for me, music is a inborn thing, you know what I mean? I was born like this, you know, seeing myself doing music. So the inspiration mostly come from the Most High, you know?
Yes,
so that's where it's from, you know? And most inspiration I gather from the surrounding, you know what I mean? Like the environment that I am in. Yeah, so that's how I've got inspired. But musically, it's an inborn thing, naturally, you know what I mean?
Naturally.
Yeah, man.
But we know that there is a lot of kind of music. We have reggae, we have rap, we have dancehall. What kind of music you choose? Because I listen, it's reggae.
I am a reggae artist.
Yes,
I am a reggae artist.
Why the
That's
reggae
what I
and
stand
not
for.
rap and not dancehall?
No, because reggae speaks about reality, you know what I mean? And reggae is the truth. You know, that's what reggae music, the bass and the drum. You know what I mean? You can hear like it come from Africa also, you know what I mean? From the African sounds, you know what I mean? So it brings us back to our roots, you know, and remind us where we're from. So reggae music is roots music and positive and conscious music. So I rather to be this artist who is uplifting someone, you know, teaching people through my music rather than doing derogatory music. So that's why I choose to do reggae music, and that's my genre, you know. Yes, I. Now and then I do a little crossover, you know, a little dancehall, but it's still on a level, you know, it's still clean. Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Jah please help us all.
Yes, mothers cry.
Me now and become a victim. Don't forget the youth me know I'm missing. All because through the shine and glisten, to the mother talk them never listen. No, she a cry cause she feel the pain. I want son life gone down the drain. She look on him shirt to appear blood stain. Things and times are not the same.
For example, this song, you know, this song, you ask me what inspired me, you know?
Yeah.
Right, if you check this song, it's telling you about mothers crying, you know, crying out for their children. And if you check now, a lot of mothers are crying for their children, you know what I mean? Right, because they are not going to the right direction. So I was inspired by the Most High to do good music and do hopeful music so I can elevate and uplift people through my message, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Parliaments appear
Yes, un peu traduire, hein?
Yeah, that message is conscious.
Yes, I
Definitely.
You know, when I hear that message, it feel me alright on your tune, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
Because it's not like you are talking about politics and them things, because enough of them thing people, them talking about politics.
Well, I have songs where I speak about social commentary and things that are going on in.
Yeah,
in
but all those things
politics,
too,
you know what I mean?
them conscious, but on the reality.
Exactly, reality level.
What I feel on the sound,
Yes.
it's like the message, but because we are talking about Papa and Mama on the tune, and that's where our foundations come from.
Exactly.
So that's a heavy tune, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a heavy tune.
Yes, right.
The message is positive, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man,
So
definitely.
that's why I say, man, you see, that's a reality for me, because you know, talk about politics. Even if we talk about politics, I think sometimes it's right, because that's the system we are living, and we talk about our problems.
Yes.
Because we don't feel alright with them people, how they run them system.
See.
So that's the reason I say that, yeah, that tune is a big tune, man. Bro.
Yeah, man.
It's a big tune, not positive tune, man.
Always.
Yes, sir. Bless, man. Say,
yes, sir.
We have a little more time again. We're gonna come back.
Hopeful, man.
Yeah, man.
Jah, please help us all.
48
Really set
FM.
away from the dirty liberty we need to get away. Too much in a cell and them took away. Remember Ananda Dean, Anna Kia, and the local girl them rape her and not a bit. Said the youth them nowadays now all no bets. Appear big machine them lock on them ends. Appear vanity them hype out. Who have the most money and who go drive big body Benz. Said them a dupes and them a dapper and a them set the trends. But you reap what you sow. Remember never hear honest spread.
Rona Belgium.
48 FM. 48.
Hear another mother ball. I want sun gone. Right now up on her name she call. Jah please help us. Jah please. Things are get serious. Cause the cycle just a repeat to the previous. Appear innocent lives done when them big machine bust. Yeah, me know on the situation. At the same place me come from. Yet still never turn a gunman. Take up the
Listen to the
microphone
message, you know?
and go
The
sing
message is
song.
within the music. Yeah, man. Listen to the message.
Caught up in the cemetery or by Babylon. Thank Jah for him inspiration. Wanna hold some deep meditation. Tune into your radio station. Hear another mother ball.
48 FM.
I want sun gone. Right now up on her name she call. Jah please help us all in this system. Say me now I become a victim. Don't forget the youth me know I'm missing. All because through the shine and glistening. To them mother talk them never listening.
Yes, Walla Walla
See that
Pork.
now?
Yes, I am big
Yeah,
up, man.
man. That one is a sweet. And it's all about consciousness. As I said now, you know, brother, I have one little question for you. In Jamaica, because I never reached there, and then so many people will listen to the roots, and they will feel like we are brothers like them. You know what I mean? Because we are the same people.
But we are.
We are same. Yeah,
We
we
are.
are the same people.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when we hear that, enough of them say Africa, and then they never go down there to check people there.
See,
And then the sufferation is over there too.
Yes.
Because Babylon pick everything from us.
Seeing.
You know what I mean? And then they make a big business on us.
Seeing.
So I want to know that them brother in Jamaica, them talking about Africa. As I say, how them feel the African people up to that stage?
Well, you know, for me,
because that is a family things, man.
Well, for me,
Yeah.
I wouldn't know their feelings.
True.
You know what I mean? Towards Africa or their concept about Africa.
Yeah, but they sing it.
Yes, right.
And then,
you would have to, when you get a chance to interview them, you know what I mean, you can ask. But for myself, if you ask me about myself, how I feel about Africa, I can express myself. Africa is where I'm from, you know what I mean?
True.
I haven't been there in a physical form as yet, you know, which now I'm currently planning to go Africa.
Yeah, man.
Next week, I'll be touring Nigeria.
Yeah, man.
So there and then, I will get the experience about Africa. You know what I mean? Physically being there. You know, but Africa is the motherland, and that's where everything was started from.
True.
Yeah, man.
True.
Yeah, man.
And then that one, why I asked you that question, because when we listen to the music, reggae music, we say roots music, and then we feel like this music is from Africa. And then those people who make us to listen, and then they talk about history of inside. And then this history been traveled all over the world. But you know, the message they give us, he make us wake up and understand, because so many people from the African country, they don't travel much.
Right.
But
so traveling, you know, when you travel, you experience. You know what I mean? Man. You have to be there to know. Right. You know. So and then, basically, is that.
Yeah, man. And then this is why I come to this message again. I said that because people over there in Jamaica, our brothers, they're talking about Africa. Some of them go down there, they see the reality, and then you think about to be there. And then this is what you have to feel, people, your original people, you know.
Exactly.
And then that one gonna give you a big connection.
Right.
And then you're gonna see
the real thing.
Yeah, man.
That's where you get to know the real thing. You know what I mean? And then you get to know the history.
And then us too, might be one day we might be travel to Jamaica because of why? To meet our brothers there, and then to teach us again. Because so many things when you travel, traveling is bigger than school.
Yeah, man, you learn a lot, you know.
Yeah, man, for me.
It's teaching, you know. You gain a lot of knowledge by traveling.
Yeah,
you know?
And then sometimes when you chat with people, you learn again.
Exactly.
And then this is why sometimes I give you those small questions, you know what I mean? Because I like to feel you, because I feel your music. And then when you are saying certain things there, it's positive.
Yeah, man.
And then you tell me your mission again.
Yeah, man.
Then one love to you, brother.
Yeah, man. Give her thanks.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
We need a change. This corrupt system, it needs to rearrange. We need a change. We need a change. A full time now, we turn a different page. To all the things said we not like it. Them take the man style out of the market.
Even this song that you're playing right now, you know, we need a change. It's a social commentary, you know. Right. You know, it's speaking about the injustice of Jamaica. You know what I mean? Like, you have people that try to hustle them honest bread, you know, work for them honest bread, and they get fight from the police and these things, you know, by just trying to make an honest life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So basically this song is speaking about the change that we all need. Everyone need a change still. The rich person need a change.
Yeah.
The poor person need a change. Everyone need a change.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But this song basically speaking about the injustice that is going on in Jamaica. And then it's still a universal song, because we all need a change now to even what we experienced a couple of years ago. 2 years we experienced a tragic situation, right?
Yeah.
Which is the COVID-19.
True, man.
Yeah, man.
True, man.
You know, we just have to be aware, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
This corrupt system, it needs to rearrange. We need a change.
Ça, papa, c'est ça, Reggae Vibration, bro. Et des messages de paix, d'amour, d'unité, mais de justice pour tous aussi. Et Don G vient de le rappeler.
48 FM. 48 FM.
Yes, I.
Big up man encore une fois, merci Don G. Donc vous avez compris le message, hein, c'est toujours peace, love and unity, justice pour tous. Mais on va revenir encore une fois avec Don G qui va nous parler un peu aussi de sa musique. Don G, you have a lot of tracks.
Yeah, man.
How many albums you make or?
Well,
yes.
I'm currently working on my first album now. I haven't got an album before.
Yeah, man.
You know, in my career coming up, I've been releasing singles, you know, and I released a 4-track EP. But currently now, I'm working on my album, which it's finished, it's complete.
And you work it here in
Europe.
In Europe, yeah.
Yeah. So we already record 15 tracks from the album.
Okay.
Move Mountain is one of the single from the album. So ones and ones can keep a listening here. Very soon that album will be released on all digital platforms and such. You know what I mean? It's called Faith Move Mountains. 15 track. 15 nice track. You know what I mean? So who know Dan G before, you know the topics and know the level of music that I do. So this time I plan to release a body of work. You know what I mean? So who didn't know me are getting to know me now.
Yeah, man.
With a body of work from the album.
Yes,
you know what I mean? So ones and ones can look out for that album. And it's courtesy of Jam Birchem Empire out of Luxembourg. You know what I mean? It's an exclusive album. It's a studio album, which all the tracks was laid in the studio. The vocals was made right there in the studio from scratch. You know what I mean? Some of the songs we sang it, and after we create the instrumentals.
Okay.
And there are some where I got the instrumental and I make the song. Or at the same time we are there in studio while the song is recording. Instrumental is creating. So it's my first studio album. It's gonna be epic, you know. It's a masterpiece, bro.
Yes, man. Ça va être great.
Whole heap of work, you know what I mean? Like many late nights, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
man. You know, like early in the morning, 3. You know, me leave my house like maybe 10 in the night and I reach home like 4 or 6 in the morning, you know what I mean? Because I put in the work, you know what I mean? Yeah, but that is it.
Don't stop, never stop.
Yeah, and then sometimes I like that system too. The time you go up on the studio, you know, because the time you got some kind of positive message.
Well, that's basically my life, you know what I mean?
Yeah, nighttime.
Every day, yeah. But nighttime is the best time when it's calm.
Yeah. And I feel it.
You know?
I feel it.
Yeah, right,
I
exactly.
And then you don't have no more thinking and other things, you know, because
you can concentrate, you know, focus.
You go for work.
Exactly.
True.
Yeah, man.
And then how your people there in the studio who work in that album for you? How did you meet them?
How did I meet them?
Yeah.
Musically.
Music and
yeah,
that musician.
Establish myself, you know, ones and ones get to hear me and, you know, we get to connect and that's how we build music together.
Yeah, man.
It's just like how I get to meet Alain because of music.
True.
You know what I mean? So it's a musical connection.
Yeah.
You know, most of the producers that I've worked with is by music, you know,
true
like,
music,
you know,
yeah.
Right, yeah, man.
Because sometimes I can feel that true music is the key for to know people and then to meet people, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Because sometimes I'm a DJ, you know, and then when I go to some party, I meet some new friends, and then we chat. I can feel them, have them work, and then we can tell me how I work too, and then that way we can try to put things together.
Yeah, man.
And then go
some motivation for both.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
So this is why sometimes I ask, it could be question on you because I can feel, you know, you meet some nice people and then some people who've been working on the music, you know, and then them know what them do. Then I can feel that the connection comes other way, you know what I mean? It's not like...
Exactly, you know, I do professional music, so I work with professional musicians. Even 1-3 Records that I'm currently signed to right now, that's the record label I'm working with. Even this instrumental, if this track that you're listening, it was built in Tough Gang.
Yeah, man.
You know, and that's Bob Marley's place, you know, so it's it's not digital rhythm, you know. You have the man them over there and knock the drum. You have the man over there playing keyboard. You have the guitarist. So everything was live.
Yeah, teamwork.
Right, so it's authentic reggae music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and
then this one,
yeah,
you
man,
work
and the production. This production is for No Rush Records out of New York. You know what I mean? This production is called the Redemption Project. If you check the Redemption Project, I'm the youngest artist on this project. You have Queen Africa, you have Lutan Fire. You know, a host of artists on this rhythm. Check it out.
Yes, I feel because I feel the tune. You know, you know, them come from there. Big if I them forget.
Yes, sir.
The tune come from there. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes,
with drum and bass, something like that.
Man.
Yeah,
man.
Bless man.
Yeah, man. As what me I say, no, who no Danji, I get for no Danji right now. Yeah, man. Big up Allen. Big up 48.
Yeah, man.
FM Leach, Belgium. Yeah, man. Heart of love, man.
While prophecy unfolding, things are changing. Still give thanks to your blessing. Call upon your name because you me put my trust in. Protect me through everything. All when pandemic I go on a COVID-19. Stay alive and surviving. Just I do the right thing. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Yeah. I give thanks for life, existence. Jah guide me along the way, give me health and strength to overcome this fight of this life challenge. Yeah. Living in a critical times like this, when people are dead by man-made disease. Too much dead body in the cemeteries. Getting sick and there's no remedies. Tired of reflecting on these memories. So Father God, me I beg you please.
Et bro, j'adore le morceau là.
En fait, quand je l'ai laissé,
j'adore ce morceau là.
En fait, quand j'ai écouté, il me semble que j'écoute Chronix. Listen, I feel something on this sound. It's like your voice here, like Chronix, you know what I mean?
This is Danji, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Chronix is Chronix.
Yeah, but I feel, I know.
Give thanks still, give thanks.
No, I know it's you, because you've been telling us it's you, and I feel the sound.
Yeah.
But as sometimes in Jamaica, when some people sing, sometimes they have the same voice.
Well, I wouldn't say I have the same voice still. I'll be truthful. You know what I mean?
True.
I'll be true. My voice is different from Chronic's voice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
if you listen, I don't want to be the one who like comparing, you know what I mean?
No.
I'm just this person. I'm me, Chronix is Chronix. You know what I mean? So if I'm doing an interview, I like the interviewer to focus on the interviewee and not other, because I don't want to speak about other artists or what they do. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, that's basically me still.
Yeah, because sometimes music is like this way.
Yeah.
You listen, and then sometimes it make you thinking other one. So this is why.
Well, I'm telling you now, this is Danji, so get to know Danji. This is my vibe.
Yes, sir, this is Danji.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, big up. Anyway, I say big up Danji.
Man, I love man.
Yes, I bless man. I feel you. You know what I mean? What you are talking about?
Yes,
but
sir.
still, it's all about musical vibe.
Yeah, man, don't get confused. You know what I mean? Yes, sir.
Overcome the fight of this life challenge. Yeah. Living in a critical times like this, when people are
On va faire un big up encore une fois à la masse.
too much dead body in the
Yes, sur la 48 FM, on est avec Danji, no man, encore une fois.
tired of reflecting on this memory.
Yes, on va maintenant parler parce qu'il va voyager un peu du côté de l'Afrique et tout ça. So, on va lui demander par rapport à ça, par rapport à ce voyage, c'est pourquoi, l'objectif de ce voyage, c'est quoi. Danji,
Yes,
we're gonna
sir.
ask you about you want to travel to Africa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how the things come?
Well, you know what I mean? Basically, it came about by my management, Bobo Omar, 13 Records. You know what I mean? He's putting this together with Rasra Raheem, Exodus Ainity from Nigeria. So my team just planned this for me to take on Africa, and for Africa get to familiar with their own. You know what I mean? Because I'm from Africa, but I have never been to Africa, if you understand what I say. So this is the time I'm going to Africa to experience Africa and to promote my music. So we're going down there like for 1 week, to do a 1 week tour at the Roots Tech. You know what I mean? So basically that is it, you know what I mean? And big up Jackie likewise, Jackie French, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
And it's reggae people you will meet, or you will meet a lot of musicians, or?
Well, to tell you the truth, I don't know what to expect as yet until I get there. I'm just trying to expect the best, and do the best when I go there. Yeah.
And do you listen sometime reggae coming from Africa?
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. And even though I do reggae music, I listen to all different genre of music, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yes, and you know some reggae people from Africa?
Well, not much.
Not much. Yes.
Yeah,
and if
much.
You are a Jamaican,
because the thing is, what I see now, the music that's coming from Africa now is Afrobeat. There are not too much reggae coming from Africa. You have some dancehall, reggae and dancehall artists down there, you know what I mean? But now they are doing more Afrobeats, you know what I mean?
Yes.
So yeah.
That's right.
So how many show do you have on that trip on your journey?
Well, for now I know about one.
You're supposed to perform once.
Yeah, supposed to perform at the Root Tech Festival.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Donc you're going for the mission, so it's just like for festival.
Exactly.
And then see the people over there too.
Exactly.
Yeah, because they are the same people, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's our
so it's a joy, it's a joy, I'm excited and overwhelmed, you know what I mean?
True, man.
Visiting Africa, Nigeria for the first time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. And those people bring you Nigeria, they come from Nigeria or they have a connection?
That's what I just said. It's a connection between Nigeria, Europe, America, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
So it's a collaboration.
Yeah, man. It's a big thing.
Yeah, man.
A big thing. Man.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a great one, innit? Yeah, wish you good luck over there.
Yeah, man. We move mountain, man. Check this song, you know what I mean? From John Bircham.
Yes, sir. On va écouter le morceau. C'est un morceau qui va bientôt sortir, qui fait partie de l'album. Yes, sir. Don G sur 48 FM.
Yes, sir.
Keep on pushing. You can achieve once you believe. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder close, many more open. Never gon' quit, never gon' stop. When life threw a punch, me just punch life back. Them can't distract me with money or vanity. Even though you have to pay for learn, the bridges you cross never burn. Face no tribulations, we all are human. You might have go through a phase right now. Let me tell you this straight, I know you.
Papa, on va revenir sur le morceau là. Yes, Move Mountain, parce que c'est lourd. Yes, Papa, Don G, we come back.
Man.
Before I play this song again. It's from an album.
Exactly. This is from the album that we're set to release very soon, you know what I mean?
When you don't
Mountain.
know the...
Well, hopefully November, December, you know what I mean? Right now we are preparing to film the music video for this track, you know, Move Mountain. Yeah, man. So once can look out for the album. This is a single from the track. You know, we only release one song from a 15-track album. You know what I mean? So if you listen this track, you can expect what the other 14 will be.
Il y a plein de surprises parce que il y a plus de 15 morceaux, je pense, 14-15 morceaux.
Beaucoup de travail.
Yes, man. Donc il y a plein de choses qu'on va écouter. But I have another question. But I understand what Abdul would like to ask you.
Yeah.
Where do you learn how to your voice? Where do you learn how to sing?
Voice control and those things.
Yes. How?
Okay. Well, as a youngster, I used to do voice training with Fab 5. I don't know if you know this band. Fab 5. With Gob Coop and these guys.
Yeah.
So I used to go Kingston, you know, and I used to. It's like a schooling. You know what I mean? Because at that time my parents found out that I can sing and I'm a good singer. You know what I mean? So they advised me to go to music school. So I have a auntie living in America. She's good friend with Grub Cooper, Fab 5. So she was the one who connect me with Fab 5. So I learned a little voice training. Yeah, man, with Fab 5. And then again, I did have a brethren.
Sorry for that. So that school, they learn you how you have to use your voice.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You know? How to climb the scale and how to, you know? I note and all these things. Okay. I've been to school, and I mean, I don't just sing or just do something like that. You know? I do real music. If you listen to my music, and you know music, you can know this youth is doing good music.
Yeah, because this is why I asked you the voice here. But I asked you, maybe you didn't understand me.
But I mean, it's alive.
Because I feel that one. Something is on the voice.
Yeah, man, it's natural.
I know. Because I misunderstood, you know, but I didn't feel it bad, you know.
Yeah, man,
but
sorry about that.
No,
Never
brother.
Analyze fully with the questions.
Yeah, man, I feel you.
Yeah,
I feel it.
No problem.
I know, I feel it, you know, but because I feel the voice.
Yes, great, yeah.
The voice is there.
Yeah, because I remember performing at one time, like performing with a sound system, you know, and I was singing a song and somebody just come at the sound and was like, is someone singing?
Yeah.
I thought it was a record playing, man.
Yeah, man.
You know?
No, bro, this
you know what I mean? So,
man.
Even most people, I don't use Pro Tools in my songs. I don't use auto-tune, sorry. I don't use auto-tune. My voice is naturally, you know. If you listen how I even talk or speak,
you feel
know
that
I mean?
one.
Feel it,
Yeah, so it's natural. So most people who don't know me in person or never talk to me, they would think, okay, no, my voice having auto. No, I having natural tune in my voice. No auto-tune.
That's great, man.
I feel you now, and now I understand you. Because this is what I want to ask you, because of I can feel the voice.
Yeah.
Even here in the live Facebook, there are some people who are there.
Yeah, man.
The voice is correct.
It's heavy, brother.
It's just a matter of time for the world get to
you
know
work
this
hard,
youth.
in fact, this is what I see.
Yeah, man,
you
we put in the work.
Yeah, man.
And I feel you are very young.
Well, I look young.
You look young, yeah.
I'm going to ask you a question now, brother. Yeah, but how old you give me?
You?
Yeah.
30 ans?
30?
You're close.
I would
6 plus.
36.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 36.
On dirait même 20 ans.
Yes.
Yeah, man. But you know, we never age, you know what I mean?
Yes.
We never age.
Yes, man. That's great.
Yeah,
That's
man.
great. Thank you, man.
Even though you have to pay for learn, the bridges you cross never burn.
Yes, I Don J.
Tribulations, we all are.
Et à Allez voir ça sur les réseaux sociaux. Yes Man, il est un peu partout. Un artiste à découvrir et que vous entendrez parler de lui, je pense, pendant un bon moment.
The name Donji.
Yeah.
Is your original name?
Well, it's not my original name.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I acquired this name back in high school.
See?
When I used to go high school, my friends them used to call me Genius.
Yeah.
Because I was so witty in school, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
As I would say, if you understand the terminology, dunce.
Yeah.
I wasn't a dunce child, I was a A-class student.
Yeah, man.
Back in high school, you know what I mean? So my friends, like when we get exam or get question, I was the first one, you know what I mean, to put up my hand, you know,
Yeah,
and answer. And when I answer, it's correct.
Yeah.
So them I said, no, the youth here, no normal, genius. You know, some used to have even some friends and thing like male and female.
Yeah, man.
So because me even, you see me tell us I'm 36 now, but me still look like 20.
Yeah, man.
So imagine when me about 16 at high school.
Yeah, man.
I was looking very young, so the girls them call me baby genius.
Yeah, okay.
You know?
Okay.
So after that now, you know, me I work with Baby Genius. Then I meet this producer in Kingston, with my record for. He must say, yo, the artist is bad, yo. I'm so bad. I have to go record him. And him record me, and after him record me, he must say, yo, I'm not calling a Baby Genius, I Dan Genius a name. I Dan. You get me?
That name come from the studio.
Right, so it was Dan Genius.
Dan Genius.
Then we meet other friends chatting along the way musically. They was like, the Genius is too long, man.
Yeah, man.
Said Dan G.
Yeah.
And from then it just stuck on me, Dan G.
And then that's where things stay.
Right. So the Dan, it signify a musical one, you know what I mean? The musical Dan, you know what I mean? It's not a derogatory Dan who influence people to do violence and negative stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
and whatever you hear in my music, that's how I live.
Yeah.
That's how I portray my life. You know what I mean? Conscious, and positive.
Yeah, you go through yourself on the music.
Yeah, man. So this is a different than where uplift the people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But as me says, a matter of time, for the world get to know who is Dan G fully.
But I think even now, people listen to us. They know who's speaking, and that it's not like somebody is learning, you know what I mean? Because this is why somebody on the phone was asking. You know,
in the comments.
In the comments. So, and then the question I pose you, that's the same question the man asked on the phone.
Yeah,
so
man.
I say, it's not only me.
Well,
no.
you get the answer now.
Yeah, man, no. Because I feel like, no, it's not only me.
The audience, the audience want to know. So, yeah, man, that's what
I'm there. Good voice, anyway.
Yes, very, very
Give thanks,
good
man.
Voice,
Give thanks.
Good voice. Yeah, bless, man.
Yeah, man.
When one door closes, many more open. Never gonna quit, never gonna stop. When life throw a punch, me just punch life back.